Okay, I've got two baby kittens, and they're really cute. I wonder if they'll do it again. They'll come running to the door when I open it. You two go away. Go away now. Where's my babies? How are my babies? Hey, babies. Hey, Bridget. Come get my finger. Come get my finger. Hmm. Come here. Hey, Ginger. You're mommy's girl. Mm. Monkeys. You guys are dorks. Dorky little monsters. That's my wig cap. Who needs to buy expensive toys when you can just give them some nylon and a piece of cardboard? And they'll be entertained for days. Little dorks.